Hey brothers and sisters, let's get into the product Fast Track Internet Profits. Okay, so this is a review page of Fast Track Internet Profits, and as you can see after the title, there is a meme given by me, and this meme is created by me. This meme is really funny because my realization, if I think anyone realization is to doing online marketing is kind of getting so much money, and but his or her experience is very much low, then there is a solution that kind of this kind of products, and this is the solution. Okay, so I want to show you the solution. So this is a review page, as I have already told you, but I have not. Let me just clear you that let me just firstly clear you that what is this product. So this product is all about kind of newbie friendly and kind of beginning friendly product for affiliate marketing or online marketing. Okay, so these days online marketing is a really very much valuable industry with respect to money. Okay, so that's why so many outsider are there who want to learn affiliate marketing or digital marketing. That's why this kind of product has been released. Okay, so I have not gone through this product from inside. That's why I can't give a detailed rating about this product, like content value, like performance, like feature and facilities. But what I have done here, that after showing the cost, I have just put here the value for money, and after showing the craziness about the product, I have just put the market hits here. Okay, so this product, as the value for money is 92%, this product has got overview 9.2, because I never consider market hits inside the overall section. Okay, so this is the launch date, 23rd November 9 a.m. this is launching and Eastern Standard Time. So this is the button. By clicking this button, you will be redirected to the product and also the bonuses. Okay, I will show you the bonuses. So after some time. So this is the product description. Some descriptive thing has been given here, and what will be inside the product. Okay, everything has been cleared here. I want you to visit this page and clear yourself before purchasing this product. Okay, everything has been put here. So also kind of bonus will be given to you by the vendor, by the owner. Okay, I have mentioned here that if you take the first action, you can get the bonuses. Okay, so there will be a checklist also, and resource cheat sheet also, and the third one is mind map. Okay, this will be given to you. So let me clear you, this product is all about reading or PDF related product, not a video product, not a automated software. Okay, but this product is all about reading stuff. Okay, so if you are a really knowledge lover, or if you don't feel boring to read out anything, okay, then I highly recommend you. And also if you are a newbie, okay, so there are two conditions: if you want to read, and if you are also newbie affiliate marketer or newbie online marketer who want to earn money online, who want to earn from home, this product is highly recommended for you. Okay, so this is the product owner. So she is a very experienced and very old marketer. So there are my final wordings. I highly recommend it for newbie online marketer, but I really forgot to mention here that if you really want to read something, then this product is about you. So read also. Reading means I don't only want to mention that just reading, but also images, but also mind map. Okay, something, but also graph, bar charts, that kind of things also included inside it. So there is only one upsell about this product, is Fast Track inside internet profit upgrade. Okay, so these are the bonuses which I want to show you from the beginning of the video, and this is the main purpose of making this video, because these bonuses are really valuable, will be given to you from my side totally free once you have brought the front end product. Okay, which costs only $70. so it will be given to you from my side totally free. So let me now show you what kind of bonuses I am giving you. So as you can see, I am scrolling down and the bonuses are not ending, but let me just go up to the 50, then something interesting will be shown to you. So after 50 bonuses, I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, because after 50 bonus, I just don't want to make the video lengthy or don't want to waste my time also and your time also. That's why I have put here 50 bonuses. After 50 bonuses, I have put here 270 plus bonuses. I have put here 50 bonuses as an example. Okay, so these 270 plus bonuses are also stuffed with software, PDFs, and also plugins, WordPress plugins, case studies, okay, something like that. So sorry, I don't know what is it. So you are getting literally 50 plus 270, 320 plus bonuses from my side totally free once you have brought the front end product from my side. So that was the overview and review of this product. And after purchasing the product, you can purchase the product by clicking these buttons and you will be redirected to the product and also the bonuses. So what you have to do, that after purchasing the product, you can click the blue button and you will be redirected to the affiliate bonuses. Okay, so that was the purpose of making the video, to show you the bonuses and also the product. I have done this, and let me just sign out and bye bye.